In this video, I will show you how to create a game pass on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. So once you're logged in, you want to come up to the top left hand corner and click onto create. So what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this where you'll be able to see all your experiences. Now what you need to do next is select the experience that you want to create a game pass for. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one here. Then what you need to do once you've clicked onto the experience is come to this menu on the left hand side, come down to the monetization section and click onto passes. So as you can see, I've currently not created any game passes. So when you come across this screen, you want to press onto the blue create a pass button just down here. Then what you can do is go ahead and start to create your game pass. So by default, it's going to give you this default image, but you can change this to anything you want by clicking the change button and uploading the appropriate picture from your PC, just like so. Once you've done this, you can go ahead and give your game pass a name. So I'm just going to call this one test pass, and you can also give a description in the description box if you want to. So I'm going to call this test description. Once you've done that, just come down to the bottom and press the blue create pass button just down here. And as you can see, our test pass has now been created. Now you can see it's currently set to off sale. So what we want to do is turn this on so it's for sale. So again, what we're going to do is click onto the pass. Then what we want to do is come across to the left hand side and click onto sales. What we can now do is turn this on to make this game pass for sale and put the price that we want to sell this game pass for. So let's go for 100 Robux. Now what Roblox do, they actually take 30% of your earnings. So in this case, if we set the price as 100 Robux, we would earn 70 Robux for every pass sold, and Roblox would take the remaining 30 Robux. And once you've done that, just come down and press the blue save changes button to apply your changes. Then what we can do is come up and click onto passes just up here. And if it does show like this, if you can't see your image, this just means it's basically being processed and reviewed by Roblox. So this only takes a few hours to do. But what you can do is actually, if you hover over this and come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see 3 dots appear. And if we click onto this and then click onto open a new tab, we'll be able to view the pass and all the details. So you can see the price this is available for and when this was created and a ton of other information. But that is a quick overview on how to create a game pass in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.